If you're a burger fan, you most likely have strong feelings about Five Guys. The multi-million-dollar company has hundreds of franchises around the country and serves delicious meals to hungry burger lovers. They have secret methods for cooking and topping their burgers, great menu hacks, and a few things they might not want you to know. So today's video we will be showing you 10 secrets Five Guys doesn't want you to know. Extra cheese and bacon is free.
And extra bacon.
Extra.
Five Guys has 15 different toppings that you can put on your burger, all of which add up to the same price. However, a lot of people don't know that you can ask for extra cheese and bacon without an added charge. You can customize almost any part of your Five Guys meal, but one thing you can't change is how your burger is cooked. They never use timers. Five Guys have some unusual rules in the kitchen for a fast food restaurant, and one of them includes no timers in the kitchen because good cooks should know when food is done. Plus, the French fries must be shaken 15 times exactly, and onion and bacon go below the patty while pickles and tomato go above. Five Guys takes its mayonnaise seriously.
The most important invention since they put mayonnaise in the jar.
During product taste testing, the Five Guys family tested 16 different kinds of mayonnaise when they were deciding which variety they wanted to carry in their restaurants. After intense deliberation, the winning Mayo is the only one allowed to be served in each location. Their other ingredients follow this rule too, so no matter which Five Guys you go to, you'll find the same taste. There are over 250,000 possible ways to order a burger. The Five Guys menu features 5 main items: milkshakes, fries, hot dogs, sandwiches, and burgers. Although you can customize most of your order to make more than 250,000 possible burger combinations, the one non-customizable thing is burger doneness. Choose as many of their free toppings as you want. So you can stack it up with more than just lettuce and tomato, like grilled onions and mushrooms, steak sauce, and more. Its burgers and fries are probably unhealthier than you think. If you're looking strictly in terms of calories and fat, Five Guys may not be the healthiest fast food option. A plain little hamburger with just one patty on a bun contains 480 calories and 26 grams of fat. A bacon cheeseburger contains 920 calories and 62 grams of fat, and a large fries contains more than 1,300 calories. But if you're looking for the healthiest meal at Five Guys, the veggie sandwich's nutrition profile makes it the best choice. People with peanut allergies can't eat there.
No more peanuts. No more peanuts.
People with peanut allergies basically have to stay out of Five Guys. Everything is cooked in 100% peanut oil, and the restaurants offer free bins of peanuts to help customers stay calm and avoid hangover while waiting for their food. It is rare that a casual encounter with peanuts will cause an allergic reaction, but they want to limit the risk of someone unknowingly coming into contact with peanuts. No advertising. Five Guys doesn't invest a penny in common advertising techniques. Instead, the company puts it towards secret shopper programs that test employees for quality service and fine food. Restaurants and employees that score high get bonuses, and that makes the employees happy and ensures customer service is tops. Your order is always ready to go. Whether you're eating in the restaurant or taking your food home, Five Guys serves everything in paper bags. Some customers dislike this because it creates so much waste for people who only use the bag to walk from the counter to the table, but that hasn't stopped the chain from sticking to their policy. Similarly, Five Guys also has a strict no delivery policy. They're so committed to this that they once declined a 22-burger order from the Pentagon. You can customize that enormous order of fries. With all those free toppings, it's no surprise you can max out your fry order with tons of toppings. One employee said, "You need try confetti fries, which have barbecue sauce, mayo, and Cajun spices added on top before being tossed in the bag to lightly coat the crispy potatoes." Or ask for a bit of cheese on your fries when you order, and you'll get a nice order of cheese fries. There are really 6 guys, not 5. When the first Five Guys launched, Jerry Morrell and his 4 sons Jim, Matt, Chad, and Ben made up the restaurant's namesake. But a year after opening for business, another son, Tyler, was born into the family. After that, Jerry Morrell now says the Five Guys name references only his sons.